Kingdom's Wealth and Wisdom, brought to you by Petra Worldwide. Here is Nathan Weaver.
Greetings and welcome to Kingdom's Wealth and Wisdom. I'm Nathan Weaver, founder and executive director of Petra Worldwide. For decades, the phrase tax audit conjured up images of an IRS agent sitting in a dusty room, manually flipping through stacks of paper receipts, trying to find a math error. But as we know and we navigate the current landscape, that image is completely obsolete. The internal machinery of the tax enforcement has undergone quite a significant hyper technology revolution. The IRS no longer relies solely on human eyes to catch discrepancies. Instead, they have deployed advanced algorithms and predictive modeling to scan tax filings. Today, we're discussing the artificial intelligence and how it's fundamentally changing how the IRS finds mistakes so you can transition your family and your business into a state of bulletproof compliance. Let's look at the critical operational shifts that catch most taxpayers completely off guard. Many individuals and business owners are still operating under the assumption that their odds of being audited are incredibly low because the IRS has faced massive staff reductions over the past years. This is truly a false sense of security, which leads to kind of two severe traps that you can fall into. The first one is the ghost in the machine delusion. People assume that the IRS workforce means fewer audits. In reality, the agency has deployed over 125 specialized AI machines and learning models to do the heavy lifting. This is up from 54 just a few years ago. The algorithm doesn't sleep, doesn't take vacations, and it scans roughly 6 times as many returns as a human can.
Pastors and financial leaders, do you need expert accounting or tax help? Do you have payroll or 1099 questions? Do you need a ministry expert to help you acquire real estate for your next project? If the answer is yes, yes, and yes, visit petraworldwide.org. Petra Worldwide has been strengthening ministries to transform humanity since 2007. Visit petraworldwide.org or call 855-481-9095.
So, the second trap or misconception is the reliance on old matching windows. In the past, it could take a year or more for a human agent to notice an unmatched form. Today, the AI powered algorithm looks at patterns of recognition and cross references millions of data points instantly, flagging anomalies before return even is processed fully. So, to navigate this new landscape, you must understand the hard mechanics of how the AI actually thinks. The IRS relies heavily on what is called DIF score, or a discriminant information function. Every single tax return is assigned a numerical score based on how much it deviates from the norm, the benchmarks of taxpayers with similar incomes, zip codes, and occupational traits. In the current tax year, the IRS has supercharged the scoring system with machine learning. The AI isn't just looking for simple math errors, it is aggressively hunting for specific high volume patterns. It's scanning for more complex entity structures, mismatched business deductions related to gross income, and for the first time, with the maximum visibility of unreported digital assets in cyber or cryptocurrency transactions. This is all being automated and happening instantly. If your return deviates even slightly from the machine's benchmark, it automatically triggers an instant compliance review. I'm Nathan Weaver. Remember, lead with integrity, live with confidence, and build something that lasts. We'll see you on the next episode.
Listen every day at 4 p.m. for Kingdom's Wealth and Wisdom, brought to you by Petra Worldwide, strengthening ministries to transform humanity. On the web at petraworldwide.org.